Batch production is a process by which we produce sub-recipes in large quantities or a batch. This process ensures a steady supply of pre-made food items such as sauces, marinades, fillings, salad dressings, and gravies for our kitchen. Sapaad automatically tracks and reduces the stock of ingredients required to prepare the sub-recipes for the batch and simultaneously increases the stock of the batched item, freeing our time to focus on other more critical tasks. Please note that this tutorial assumes that you've already added your sub-recipes to Sapaad. If you haven't, you can watch Adding Sub-Recipes in Sapaad. You can find the link in the description below. Let's begin. You can do batch production for any sub-recipe in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Go to Batch Production. Click on Inventory, and then select the location you wish to do the batch production. Then proceed to the Batch Production section. Step 2. Search for your sub-recipe for batch production. Type in our sub-recipe on the search bar. We're going to use chili mayo dressing. Step 3. Enter the quantity required. We want to make 1,000 grams of chili mayo dressing. Now enter this quantity in the box. On your left, you can see the quantities required to prepare 1,000 grams of chili mayo dressing. Finally, click on Process and Sapaad will do the rest. You can view the history of previous batch productions by scrolling down to Past Process List. Select the location of the outlet you want to check and click Open. Here you see the sub-recipe batches produced for this outlet. And there you have it, making a batch production in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Going to batch production. Step 2. Searching for your sub-recipe. And Step 3. Entering the required quantity. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.